The ingredients are 1 bottle of red wine, 1 orange, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and some juniper. Now actually I also wanted to add some star anise, but they didn't have any at the store. If you make it yourself, I would definitely recommend to add about 2 star anise. Also, you can actually personalize your drink and maybe add some brandy or any alcohol you like. Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to cut up the orange. I'm just going to cut it up into slices and I'm going to make them about 1 centimeter thick. It's 1 juicy orange. So for this drink, I like using the beautiful middle part of the orange and then I leave the rest for myself to eat. So I'm just going to use about 3 slices. Take a pot and put it on a fire. Add the entire bottle of wine. Yes. And next, it's actually quite simple. Just add all of the ingredients. First the sugar, cinnamon, the cloves and the juniper. Also the star anise if you have it. And next I am going to add the orange. Now I think I'm going to just add 2 slices and not 3 of them because they are quite large and very juicy. So give it a good stir and now just keep stirring gently until all of the sugar is dissolved and the wine is completely infused with all of the spices. Now do this on a medium-low fire. You don't want the wine boil, you just want it to very slightly simmer a bit. 15 minutes later and it is ready to be served. Now of course the longer you let it simmer the better it gets because the flavors will really infuse the wine. I tasted it and it's ready to be dranked. It's ready to drink.